Phaigunia chiklo ni phai kre ke thompen ni phai kre phorni Nithom aphan Tezpur rong sopialong kido lok Priya Gopinath Bordoloi Girls College along craft demonstration open awareness ajai kedeng pon la solong karbiang long pen tribal artisans national awardee sangpi Sabina Teron pi alohiaman pen chetong dun si jaime kangpu pon Tezpur L.G.B Girls College along kipadopon Nithom abaha craft demonstration open awareness program Ministry of Textile Government of India Office of the Development Commissioner Handicraft Service Center Jorhat atum penchipatri piponsi craft lapen textile hin lu ki charlie bom amumar atmaphan aning ki parung pon apen lu ki charlie bom apon hut ri asaini ta ki pathek pon akinang sotpu akimang pensi bangso jaime ding pondo bangso jaime kalong aluhiaman pen sangpi Sabina Teron pi tribal artisans national awardee chetong dunsi alangli rideng pen jaime ingpu pono lapen lu ke charli amumar atmaphan ri asaini ke charli kinang sot alam thi thansi aning parung pon la solong lu ke charli amumar atmaphan ki pathan japhan pura carving lo pen artisans instructor Maluti Kropi designer dengmir rong hangpi instructor jewelry Bosanti Tirangpi embroidery instructor lapen exhibition stall sajuni Tirangpi tumpensi than pondo News report Carbing Long Life